morning, guys. Natalie Martinez. Today's activity is going to be straw rockets. The girls will come out and build their rockets out of actual paper and straws, along with some tape. That's one of the things that holds it together. One is going to use only 3 fins. The other one is going to use 4 fins. So we'll see which one goes further. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks. So for today's video, the girls made straw rockets with a straw and just regular paper. But now they've been doing camp songs for the last couple weeks, so they have a special song that they want to do with their rocket. So go for it, guys.
Hey, but diddly bop, hey, but diddly bop. I gotta get back to my job. I gotta get back to my job. With these rockets in my hand, with these rockets in my hand, I'm gonna be your rocket man. I'm gonna be your rocket man.
Oh, who's
Mine went forward.
What? Victoria's, yours went further this time. Awesome. Okay, Jackson, yours didn't. Victoria, you had 4 sides to yours, right?
Yes,
4 little fins.
4 tails.
4 tails, and Jax, you had 3. Okay, there you guys have it. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed.